scunt, man.
Yo, but we not gonna come off of this Bumbleclot Island in a dog, you see me? But what? Yeah.
Shut your scunt now, man. Jeez, you fretting me. All you could do is talk. You talking like that?
Well, excuse my blood clot for trying to make conversation. Got the two of us trapped on the Bumbleclot Island, you know.
My trot. Yeah, I finally catch another one of them. A free, come here. Alright, let me go back to Bartico. Let me get along. Yeah. Ah, shit. Hey, Bano, bring the curry powder from in the bucket down there.
Dog, I can't wait for touchdown back on my bay, and dog, my girl there wait.
Hey, yo, dog, me and you get half on the wrong foot, and I just wanted to come and apologize for being, rude to you and all of that. Just like me, real thing. It's not really in my nature to do something like that.
Yo, so, brother, you're good in a dog, you see me?
Alright, good. Meet my new friend, Deborah. Deborah, say I'm there. I'm there. Me and Deborah gonna help you do what you gotta do.
Yo, no seeing in a brother, you see me? Cool meds. So, when you touch back in a guy,
me fucking curry get taste.
What the first?
So me curry get taste, eh? Me friggin' curry get taste to you, boy.
We expect a blood clot, you know, put the cube in it.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Larry, and with me today here, I know it has been a very long week and a tiresome one to most of us, or rather all of us. Well, I'm here with these best videos. I told you I'll try to my very limit, get you the best videos. So with me here, I have these videos that will help us. That includes you and also me included. That will help us unwind from all the stresses we've had across the week. So guys, let's dive into this video, and then I'll be back with more comments. But first thing first, remember to kindly give me a like, a subscribe, and a comment. Like this video as much as you can so that it can be recommended to a lot of people, and by doing this, we'll definitely help them, or rather brighten their mood or their day or their night, depending from wherever they'll be watching us from. So guys, let's dive into this video, and then I'll be back with more comments.
Oh, scunt, man.
Yo, but we not gonna come off of this Bumbleclot Island in a dog, you see me? But what? Yeah.
Shut your scunt now, man. Jeez, you fretting me. All you could do is talk. You talking like that?
Well, excuse my blood clot for trying to make conversation. Got the two of us trapped on the Bumbleclot Island, you know.
My trot. Yeah, I finally catch another one of them. A free, come here. Alright, let me go back to Bartico. Let me get along. Yeah. Ah, shit. Hey, Bano, bring the curry powder from in the bucket down there.
Dog, I can't wait for touchdown back on my bay, and dog, my girl there wait.
Hey, yo, dog, me and you get half on the wrong foot, and I just wanted to come and apologize for being, rude to you and all of that. Just like me, real thing. It's not really in my nature to do something like that.
Yo, so, brother, you're good in a dog, you see me?
Alright, good. Meet my new friend, Deborah. Deborah, say I'm there. I'm there. Me and Deborah gonna help you do what you gotta do.
Yo, no seeing in a brother, you see me? Cool meds. So, when you touch back in a guy,
me fucking curry get taste.
What the first?
So me curry get taste, eh? Me friggin' curry get taste to you, boy.
We expect a blood clot, you know, put the cube in it.
Yeah. 3 years we are do this.
I mean, you're my first. I told him I was moving out.
Ottawa.
His house.
Fi go where?
I have no idea.
No, you better have an idea. Because me not know where to put you. You can't hold in a dog house. I don't think you can stand the smell of his tables. Sonia, we agreed. This wasn't a fear, something on the side.
Yeah, it was. In the beginning.
You can't change the rules of the game in the middle of the game.
I guess my feelings changed.
Sonia, how you for change your feelings without discussing it with me first? How you for tell your husband about us? Sonia, I trusted you.
I'm sorry.
Sonia, cheating has to be based on trust.
Let's see the next time me and your parent a boy even look on you too hard and I call to you and you even smile, you're gonna know what gonna happen to you.
And what did that boy, man?
What do who?
We not stop watch me.
Who I watch you? I want you.
Our face, man.
So we ain't got blood clot do about it. Blood clot. Yeah. Stop blood clot this up. Hey boy, how we are rank with? Make me blood clot joke. Me want dead today. No naked man can blood clot save the general. Hey boy, you wanna do? Try set me up like no doubt. I've been you now try to get something to talk about me. As a matter of fact, me never want blood clot joke today again.
Let me tell you why there's a big job.
No, fuck nobody. Girl, put on the other property. The swear to Joe. Never fuck body from the ball. Body man a gone, you gone. A woman must say me kill all of them.
Good evening. My name is Grey Skies, and here is the weather. Weather is the same as always, yeah? This is Jamaica. The sun going shine in the morning, and it going hot no bitch. We scattered showers round about, after which it will be hot no bitch. Even if hurricane come, rain fall, breeze blow, thunder and lightning lick, as soon as it done, it going hot no bitch. Tonight, the sky will be dark. If you live into the hill, it will be chilly. But if you live onto the flat, even if it's hot, it's not going to hot if you have a fan. And now, for the long range forecast. It going hot, no good. And that were the weather. Hey, we are doing the light, man.
At least Jamaicans have real bad man. Like, I'm not promote violence, but if you're going to do something, you do it correctly. No, like, Jamaican bad man, a real bad man. Like, if they're going to rob somebody, them do it straight. Go up to them and say, yo, puss the wall. Empty everything out of your pocket. No. Not Africans. Them not the real bad man. If them want to rob you, them just send you an email.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
yeah.
how may I help
I'm trying to get the generator up top there, the 3000.
Up top? Which one exactly you're talking
That
about?
one.
Oh, the one on the top shelf. So let me ask you a question. If you can't reach it, or you expect me to reach it?
No, I thought because you work
When
here,
you thought wrong, you blasted idiot. When you try to say, Home Depot hire super
no,
people.
sir, but because you work.
But how me to reach it? How you expect me to reach it?
Can you get somebody that can help
Nobody in here can reach it. None of we can reach it.
Alright, so how am I supposed to get it?
Go buy a ladder. Ladder sitting on the back of the store. Go buy a ladder and come back, come reach it.
I just want to get
Go buy a ladder and come out of the store. Come out of the store. Come out of the store. Come out of the store.
I just want.
It's not for sale anymore. Come out of the store.
Excuse me, sir.
What?
Yes. Where can I find the plungers?
The plunger section.
Where is that?
Not in this aisle, sir.
Yeah, where is that?
I just said over the plunger section.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
G's and peace, sir. What do you want?
Yeah, I'm just trying to find the plunger.
And I said it's in the plunger section.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't know where.
Sir! What do you really want?
The plungers.
Then why are you here and not in the plunger section?
I don't know where that is.
Are you deaf? Excuse me, what is going on? You need some help, sir? Yes, he need it. Please help him. Please help him.
I was asking where are the plungers.
The plungers are in the plunger section, sir.
Yeah, and I was saying that I don't know where that is.
Not in this aisle, sir. And the same thing me I tell him from all long. Not in.
Same lady who tell me, hey, I have no credit remaining to make this call. I would like to speak to her.
Okay, register Mr. Barrel. That can service offered by the system. It's an automated voice.
Sir, excuse me. That wasn't no automated voice. That was a lady. Me hear her with my own 2 ears, so you can't tell me, say, you know, I want to come down there and suck out her blood. And strong, I need to talk to her, so I remember talk to somebody who in charge.
Would you like to speak to a supervisor?
Thank you. Let me speak to her because I need our supervisor to put me through to that lady. The woman have her authority to come on the phone. Look, you know, I mean, humble them send on the new phone and then call them the smart phone, you know. And then all of a sudden, the lady come on the phone, you have 1 minute remaining.
Yeah, tell me something. You watch Dragon Ball Z? Fire for that. Fire for that?
Oh man, I watch 2 man fight for balls. Fire for that.
Man a drag man balls to the Z. I want that now.
Man a drag man balls to them Z.
Man a fight over dragon ball.
Youth. A man dead and them use the balls to bring him.
Yeah man, speak to your nephew, him here.
You right, uncle?
You don't do all them things there. I don't want to talk about that. Rascal. I been saying, wah! But just tell him, wah!
That's what you told him.
You know, the blood there.
The weather good though.
All them nah, so the blood clot. But some rascal dumpling. Yeah, me just say, go lah. I talk about it. Pull on the thing there, like a rascal thing that's got like a thumb pumble.
Because when you come on my yard and get where you want, me no see you back, you no tap hide from me. Me I call your phone, you not answer me. Oh, you tell me say you not no woman. But me see a party last night with a big foot tough girl. But no worry yourself, cause me come to tell you say me nobody want you. Because your body too little bit and soft. And me no want a sponge, me want a big jackhammer. So the time you down your kidney teeth and your bumbleclad ugly friend them. Tell your friend them say you is a pork eating rasta. Tell your friend them say you like to eat the oink oink. Tell your friend them say you like to long out your tongue. Boy, you hide for a nice clean chrome skin girl like me. You not even have on a good underpants. Eh? You tell people boy you have hammer. You have a nail, a 2-inch nail. You know say every minute you did have to fix the condom cause it a drop off. Cause them no make condom for 2-inch nail. You understand? We're bright no blood.
Ricardo, how much time tell us it take up it? Friggin', me tired of y'all lick me. Myrna, why you help me with sitting? Hurry up. Fucking shit.
Right. I'm not going to watch up at the man. Not need a man.
Not need a man.
Not even man, you.
Yeah, man. Not even Manchester, I'm not go. Not even Kia, man.
Yeah.
I'm not even water work.
Yeah.
Town manager.
Yeah.
I'm not take the clothes off and I'm not quick.
Yeah.
Cause suck your man, I'm not even have manners.
Yeah.
I'm not even like, oh man.
Yeah.
Tell them like.
Tell them like.
Rupert.
Oi!
You want that drink or junk robati?
Junk robati?
Yeah, man, I feel me rum that, man.
I last drink left, you know, you
trust me, I trust you doing about. You know, say me, I go pay back my bill.
Your bill big still, see that?
And through me, I go into watch her.
Hey.
I want flavor splash car. Don't know, say, Anna really like that.
And I trust you, I trust?
Yes, and I trust me, I trust.
When you are going to get my money, sir?
I want to man weekend, man.
Alright, see there. You that.
What again, pay me bill? Give me one Red Bull.
No. Come out of my shop. You trust too much. Out of my shop. Give me that.
Come
out of my shop. Come out of my shop. Come out of my shop. Come out of my shop. Come out of my shop. Come out of my shop. On the bill bigger than anybody else. On the big bill. On the non-pay on the bill. Dog shit. Dead dog. Don't come back on my shop. Crowbait.
Me say you have to pay me for all my time me waste with you.
But you going on as though me employ you.
I'm going to make you an example to all man that fool up woman, you know. Where you take me from? Konomono? Listen to me now. Even if me was Konomono, me not Konomono for you.
Keep your voice at a human level.
Me want 50% of the business.
50%.
How do you know that you are a white man? If you know that you are white, explain to me how you know this.
Okay, my mother is Portuguese and she's white. My father is Scottish with blonde and blue eyes.
And you reckon they are white?
I reckon.
All right. Listen to this conversation. If I get water, it's quite simple, innit?
Yeah.
I get a black can, a white one, a blue one, and a yellow one, and I fill them with water and seal them.
Yeah, okay.
When you look, would you see the water?
You can't see the water at all.
What would you see?
Nothing, just the white of the
You
bottle.
would see the different colors.
The different colours.
And
of
if
the
you
can.
trust those eyes of yours, you're going to believe that they're different, aren't you?
I will believe it.
Until you go and fucking taste them.
Correct.
And what are you going to discover?
That it's all just water.
All one. Oneness in diversity, we call it.
Yeah.
Now you see all these human beings that you see, who believe that they are Japanese, Chinese, blacks and whites. They are the same. And if you go to any one of them, excuse me sir, what color is your mind?
If you wanna go, then I'll be soon.
You see, you hear what he said?
He doesn't know what color his mind is.
No, go and ask a Japanese, he don't know either.
No.
Because we are spirits living in different color physical bodies. We are not our bodies. When you look with the eyes, you're not seeing me, you are seeing the body. Just like I tell you, when you look at the tins, you won't see the water, will you?
No.
Will you look at my body and say I'm a black man? That is a program. You was programmed from birth, yeah? To believe that you are blacks and whites. But you fuck all like that. You're just a spirit in a body full of the same stinking shit.
Once again guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you've enjoyed the videos. I hope also the videos has also helped you in unwinding, making you smile, laugh out loud, and brighten your days or your evenings, depending from wherever you're watching me from. I have to say many thank yous to Jamaicans, to my viewers, my subscribers, for all the support you've shown unto me. Without your support, I wouldn't be here. And I want also to appreciate you who takes your time to come back and view my videos. To those who choose to subscribe to me, I appreciate you so much. Your support also again means so much to me. Otherwise, I'm your host Larry, and until we meet again, peace out.